Capturing content with the screenshot tool. Another type of content you can place directly into an Excel worksheet is a screenshot. You're probably already familiar with screenshots from everyday computer use. Many people still think first of the old print screen key on the keyboard. Excel has its own built-in screenshot tool, and it's designed to save you a lot of switching, copying, and pasting. You will find this feature by navigating to the Insert ribbon and looking inside the Illustrations group. There, you will see a button labeled Screenshot, preparing your windows for capture. If you hover over that button, the tooltip tells you that it quickly adds a snapshot of any window open on your desktop. However, there is a specific rule you need to follow for this to work correctly. Whatever application or window you intend to capture must be open and sitting directly behind your Excel workbook. When you click the drop-down arrow on the Screenshot button, you are presented with a few options. The first section shows available windows. This area displays thumbnails of every program that is currently open and fully maximized on your computer. For example, if you have a Word document and a File Explorer window running in the background, you will see a preview for each of them here. Taking a full window snapshot. If you want to grab an image of an entire open window, the process is incredibly fast. Using our previous example, if you want the full view of that YouTube page, you simply click its thumbnail on the list. Excel immediately minimizes the menu and drops a picture of that entire window onto your current worksheet. You do not need to switch applications or perform any manual copy and paste actions. The system handles the transfer automatically. It is worth noting a specific limitation here. If you have minimized a program down to your taskbar, Excel cannot see it. The application must be maximized on your screen behind Excel for it to appear in the available Windows gallery. Clipping specific areas. Sometimes you do not need the entire window. Perhaps you just want a snapshot of a specific paragraph or a small interface element. This is where the second option, screen clipping, becomes useful. Just like before, correct preparation is important. You must ensure the content you want to clip is visible on the screen immediately behind your Excel window. Here is why that setup is so important. When you click Screen Clipping, Excel automatically minimizes itself to get out of your way. Your screen will then turn gray and foggy, and your cursor will transform into a black crosshair. While you are in this capture mode, you are locked out of your taskbar. You cannot switch applications. If you didn't leave the right window open, you will be stuck looking at your desktop wallpaper or an empty screen, which isn't very helpful. Executing the screen clip. With your target window properly staged behind Excel, let's walk through the action. First, delete any previous images to clear space. Go back to Insert, select Screenshot, and click Screen Clipping. Excel drops away, the screen fogs over, and your cursor changes. Click and drag the crosshair to draw a box around exactly what you want to capture. The moment you release the mouse button, Excel reappears with your new clipping pasted directly into the sheet. Managing the resulting image. It is important to understand the nature of the object you have just created. This is strictly a static picture. Even if you took a screenshot of text from a report, you cannot edit that text inside Excel. Furthermore, there is no live connection to the source. If the original text in your Word document changes, this screenshot will not update to reflect that. It remains a frozen moment in time. You can confirm this behavior by selecting the screenshot. You will see the Picture Format ribbon appear, offering the exact same editing tools you would have for a stock photo or a standard image file. This tool is handy if you're building how-to manuals or documentation and need to capture specific ribbons or settings quickly.